The 18th Annual Saint Lucia Taiwan Partnership Trade Show has commenced, featuring 95 exhibitors, including 65 from Saint Lucia and 25 from Taiwan. The signature event, which commemorates nearly 2 decades of meaningful collaboration in trade, enterprise development and innovation, opened with a grand ceremony at the pavilion on the ramp in Rodney Bay on Friday, November 7th, and will run until Sunday, November 9th.
For nearly 2 decades, this event has showcased Saint Lucia's entrepreneurial spirit, our commitment to innovation, and our proud partnership with the Republic of China, Taiwan. The Ministry of Commerce, Manufacturing, Business Development, Cooperatives, and Consumer Affairs has driven this initiative, empowering local businesses, building resilience, and inspiring the Buy Local movement that connects our creativity to global opportunity.
The exhibition serves as a lively platform for local business people, craftsmen and producers to showcase their goods and services alongside innovative Taiwanese products and solutions. This year, over 100 Saint Lucian businesses applied to participate.
This clearly exemplifies the ambition of Saint Lucian's entrepreneurs. And these companies are not here only to display and sell the very best of their products or to demonstrate their creativity or innovation. Furthermore, they're here to grasp this opportunity to use this platform to explore the trade and partnership together with all of us. Being newcomer here in Saint Lucia, I must admit that I'm always pleasantly surprised and very much impressed every time by whatever I see, wherever I go, what I hear, I smell, I taste, and everything here in Saint Lucia, from north to south, from east to west, and even at the heart of Mabuya Valley. You surely have talents everywhere.
The show is a highlight of the 2025 Business Month. Minister for Commerce Emma Hippolyte praised the exhibition for facilitating opportunities to enhance economies and lives.
For 18 years, almost a generation, as we heard from our peers, this nexus between Saint Lucia and Taiwan has stood as a shining example of a partnership built on trust, mutual respect, consistency, and shared success. Together, we have not only exchanged products, services, and ideas, but strengthened the bridge of friendship between our peoples, creating opportunities that have enriched our economies and deepened our cultural ties.
Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Culture and Tourism, Dr. Ernest Hilaire, stated that the theme, powered by sustainability built on resilience, was purposely chosen to illustrate that present actions have a lasting effect.
It underscores that sustainability is not merely an option, but essential for a prosperous future. And it highlights the urgency of embracing practices that safeguard our environment, strengthen our economies, and empower our people. At its core, the theme reminds us that true progress is measured not only by growth today, but also by the resilience we build to withstand the challenges of tomorrow, ensuring that future generations inherit a world of opportunity and stability.
The 2025 Saint Lucia Taiwan Partnership Trade Show is concentrated on 2 specific themes: food security and digital transformation in the business sector. The show will also actively promote business-to-business, B2B interactions. The purpose of these B2B sessions is to foster trade and collaboration among companies from both countries, introduce new products and services into local value chains, and expand opportunities into domestic markets for Saint Lucian manufacturers and service providers. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.